So if we compare the InDesign file we have here and the PDF, there are some small differences. The section name, for example, shows up first of all, and then it shows up on only one of the pages. In InDesign, we have it on both right now, and we have these lines. I guess there are two of them connecting, or just one. Here, they're not connected. So we have the lines, the section name at the top of the page, and at the bottom of the page, the issue number of the magazine is just an X here, and we'll have to fill in the correct one. And all of these things have to do with master pages. So all of these elements that we have here have already been in the document since we created it. And as you can see, we can't really click to change these. That's because they are on the master page. If you go to the Pages panel, if you don't have it open here, you can go to Window and Pages or hit F12 on the keyboard and double click the A master thumbnails here. Definitely, it's important to click the thumbnails, not the name. Here is where we find and can edit these elements. So we have this box for the section name, these divider lines, the page number, which is set automatically, and the name of the magazine and the number of the issue here. So for this issue, it's going to be the same number everywhere, so we can change it here. It's going to be number 1 out of, well, 2011. But these other elements, I don't want to change them here for the entire magazine. So if I go back, you see it's changed here as well. This has applied to all the pages we have and all the pages we will make next. But these changes here, I don't want to apply to everything, because you'll see in the next pages, this is going to be slightly different. So I have different settings for all of those pages. So I just want to apply local changes, not change this on the master page. And to do that, it's actually really easy. You just hold Control and Alt on the keyboard and click on. So what I want to do is just disconnect these objects from the master page so I can edit them locally on this page alone, but they will stay on the master page and be applied to all of the other pages just as they would regularly be. And they do stay kind of connected. So for example, if you change colors and things like that, those things still apply if you haven't overridden that manually. So to unlock a master page item, you just hold Control and Shift on the keyboard and click that item, and now it's on your page available. And this particular one I want to delete. I'm going to hold Control Shift again and click on this, and I'm going to leave that as it is and come in and write text in it. And I will want to unlock these two lines at the top as well. And one of them I will delete and the other I will extend. I think it's simpler to work with just one line than two connecting ones. So that line is solved, and now I'll just come in here and get the text tool, and you see again the cursor changes when I hover above the box. It gets that outline, so it shows me I'm going to start writing in this box. And I'm just going to write, or I can copy this text here and paste it. And the style for this is section name. And I just need to center it inside the box. And this spread is done. We will go on with the next story in one fell swoop in the next video.